Hey guys, I'm going to show you how I created an extremely soft makeup look for my client's engagement day. Her skin was extremely dry, so I really worked on her skin, gave it a little massage using a water-based serum. Let it soak in, and then I started by correcting. I didn't use a heavy amount of corrector. I just applied a concealer which was maybe one shade darker than her skin, and then I started applying foundation all over her face evenly, making sure that no area of her face is being left behind. You have to cover the ears, the hairline, all of that, so nothing looks odd. And then using a lighter concealer, I just added it to the under eyes. And then I just used the back of my blender to apply the cream contour, and then using a brush applied a little bit of a cream blush, keeping all the strokes extremely soft and then dabbing the powder right on the face so the base is set and looks just as it was before we applied the powder. For the eye makeup, I made sure to use really soft colors. When it comes to doing makeup for clients, I really like to cater to what they want for their look and then mix it up with what I would want for their face, and that's what we work on together. It's a very sweet teamwork that I love having with my clients where we can discuss the looks and create them together. So I'm dabbing a little bit of a soft silverish pink pigment on the center, which is just going to highlight her eyes a little bit more, and then adding a bit of glitter, leaving her eyes not too heavily colored but definitely giving them some dimension and contour. It's always very important for me to know if my client wants a dramatic eye makeup or something on a very soft side which doesn't look too outstanding as well. So for her engagement day, she did not want anything that was over the top. So we did something that is just going to make her look really pretty and ready for her engagement day. After applying a mini winged eyeliner and then applying the lashes, I'm going on to the lip color. I'm starting with a peachish pink, and then I'm going to go over with a little bit more of that. And I wanted to add a little bit of gloss because I thought it would look really pretty and pouty on her lips. And so it did. And it was also adding a little pop of color as most of the face was a little bit on the softer side, on the nude makeup side. And then I added a lot of highlighter to give her that dewy look and also set her face with a dewy setting spray, which will then add more glow on her face. This was her final look. She was looking absolutely stunning. She really liked her makeup and I was really feeling it as well. I do hope that you guys also enjoyed watching me create this look and you learned something new or got a new idea for your next engagement look. So guys, don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to our channel for many more such different types of looks and videos for different techniques. And do let us know what you think about this look and if you would wear this for your engagement or would you like to do this makeup for someone else's engagement. I also think this would pass off as a very nice simple party makeup look as well. It just depends what your client wants.